What's up, guys? Devin with Venture Hobby Passion back today doing another video. Yeah. Well, the blue mini bike, the blue monster, whatever you want to call it, the doodle bug, the predator swap doodle bug, it is finally getting rebuilt. I'm actually going to be racing in 2 weeks in the Nebo Expo, so I got to get this fixed. Not really fixed, but upgraded. Because all that weight reduction isn't going to be strong enough. So we're going to cut that plate off and get a new plate that's extended and getting lots of cool upgrades on this. So, yeah. Let's get this build done in one video. So let's get to it, cutting that off. Alright, sorry it's kind of windy, but I got the engine plate cut off. Kind of a pain in the butt. But now we got lots of cleaning up to do because there's a fat weld there, and then this back section, what I've been doing is making it nice and flat so I can weld the engine plate to it and it helps it be strong. Pegs will gonna be the last thing. I'm probably gonna leave these on. They might even stay on for the event because, you know, we're gonna rush for time. And also, look at how I modified that. I was welding my gaps and freaking they're horrible looking. Cleaned it somewhat on the top. But yeah, that plate, 1/8 inch, it's no good. Oh, and also let me go into the garage and show you something. Cause you know, she was putting some power down, so that bolt's bent. That bolt's bent. So we're gonna need some hardware, and we're probably gonna have to go grade 8 because we're gonna be like trying to triple the output of this thing. So yeah. All right. Well, as you can see, the mini bike is in the back of the truck, and then so the battery mount is on, the fender extension is on, the power converter is on and wired. I'm gonna need to tuck those in. I think I'm gonna zip tie them in, and hopefully I can zip tie them up in. But this is not the engine that's going to be on this bike here soon. It's going to be getting the built motor. But this is got the full rebuild on the bottom for the motor so it can handle all the power that I can throw at it, / put all the electronics on it that I want. I still have a lot more coming. There will be a video just for all the electronics that I'm going to be putting on this, lights and everything else. I'm going to be redoing the front and the rear end here soon. Not going to be running a sprocket as the brake, but, you know, all in time. All right, as you can see, it's raining. We gotta love rain. Well, this video was not filmed very good at all because, as you've seen, those are all the clips that I have. I'm filming this as of right now, and it sounds like my dad is home. So what's happened since that the little power box that was right next to the Milwaukee adapter, it's on this blue bike right here, doesn't work. It fried like almost immediately. Like I couldn't get any power out of it. I don't understand why. So now it's underneath a bunch of stuff. I got adjustable ones so I can adjust to the exact amperage that I want, and that's what I'm going to be running on it. So I'll have the M18 go into that and change the whole electronic system on it because I fried that. But we're also running, that's also giving us the ability to run underglow, like I was saying, and a lot of other stuff. We're gonna make these bikes super sick, and hopefully actually film it. I've been time-lapsing because I've been loving this GoPro automatic time-lapse. Keeps it entertaining and short. But you know, I got that thing built. We're gonna have, I don't know if I'm gonna go with the Predator anymore on this because we want to make some serious power, and who knows if a Predator's not gonna be able to handle that much horsepower. You want to try to get that 30 horsepower range, you're not gonna do it with the Predator. Let's make some power with that thing, right? So if you hopefully enjoyed this video of getting that rebuilt and ready for some power, so if you like it, whatever. So hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.